Today I'm going to be sharing what I eat each week to avoid bloating and indigestion, and these meals are truly the backbone of how I keep my gut calm as a certified gut wellness coach and a busy mom. If you struggle with bloating, discomfort after meals, sluggish digestion, or just want simple, nourishing meal ideas, this video will show you exactly what works for me week after week. These meals are ancestral, nutrient-dense, easy to digest, and honestly, they just make us feel really good. Let's start with my most grounding, gut-friendly meal of the week, a roast chicken one-pot dinner. This is a whole chicken roasted in the oven with carrots, onions, potatoes, garlic, and herbs, and it makes its own broth as it cooks. It's simple, deeply nourishing, and packed with nutrients. One-pot meals like this are my go-to at the beginning of the week. I love it because I can throw it together in the morning, and then when dinner time comes, I just pull it out of the oven and it's ready to serve. It's such a lifesaver with simple ingredients, minimal stress, and maximum digestion support. I will also change the meat on this one-pot meal all the time, and it gives such a great variety. I will do a beef roast, a pork roast, a lamb roast, and it's so fun to get really great variety by swapping out the vegetables and herbs for different flavor profiles. Slow cooked chicken with its broth like this is gentle on the gut, it's collagen rich, and it gives us leftovers for soups and lunches. So if you're overwhelmed and short on time, start here. It's one pot, minimal cleanup, and your gut will thank you. And make sure to keep watching because I'm gonna share a couple of really fun meals that my kids especially love, that are real, nourishing versions of foods that you probably didn't think could be healthy. And if you would like to learn how to support your gut with the most important foods and habits, make sure to check out my Gut Wellness Getting Started guide. It is linked down in the description below this video, and it's completely free. Next up is one of our favorite fun meals. These are tacos with sourdough tortillas. I use seasoned ground beef, fresh toppings, and naturally fermented sourdough tortillas for easier digestion. Plus, tacos feel fun and doable even on a busy night. Swap regular tortillas for sourdough just once this week. I guarantee you'll notice the difference in how your stomach feels. My midweek ritual when my gut needs a hug is chicken soup. It's homemade broth, veggies, herbs, chicken, including feet for extra collagen. Warm, brothy meals like this give your gut a break. They support motility, healthy stomach acid production, and lowering the chance of bloating. Try making a batch this week. Even one bowl a week supports digestion more than you think. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what has been your biggest takeaway from this video so far. Have any of the meals I've shared so far surprised you? And what is your biggest struggle when it comes to eating for gut wellness? Leave me a comment down below and I would love to know. If you love pasta but you hate feeling puffy afterwards, this next meal is my biggest hack. I make spaghetti using roasted spaghetti squash instead of pasta, a homemade meat sauce with lots of garlic, and enjoy lots of butter with the spaghetti squash. Squash is a great anti-inflammatory food. It contains simple carbs that are easy to digest. It's easier on the gut than wheat pasta, which helps keep meals light and bloat-free. Make this once and see how energized, not bloated or sleepy, you feel afterwards. And keep watching because I'm also going to share how I make pizza and burgers in a gut-friendly way. And if you would like to start making some easy, healthier swaps for more nourishing foods, check out my Nourishing Food Swaps guide down in the description below this video. It's completely free and I have it down there for you. And then last of all, here are 3 meals that I rotate through every week for nutrient density and gut ease. We enjoy liver pate on sourdough for iron and B vitamins. You haven't experienced amazing energy until you've had liver. Sourdough pizza for an easy on the gut comfort meal, and grass-fed burgers on sourdough buns for protein and fermented grains. Real food that's naturally anti-inflammatory and simple helps stabilize digestion, reduce bloating, and keep our energy steady. Sourdough fermentation plus high quality proteins makes for gut-friendly comfort meals that kids enjoy too. So I encourage you, pick one of these to add into your weekly routine. They're simple upgrades that make a huge digestive difference for us. Supporting your gut doesn't have to mean complicated recipes or restrictive rules. It's about choosing real foods that your body can digest easily and enjoy consistently. Start with one meal from this video and build from there. Our guts are incredibly responsive, and small changes like these can create big improvements in bloating, energy, and overall digestion. So now that you've seen what I eat each week to avoid bloating and indigestion, you probably would like to know how to make more of your own probiotic foods at home. But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this next video right here, because when you pair that with what you've just learned in this video, it's way more powerful. Make sure to check out that description box for links to those free resources that I talked about, my Gut Wellness Getting Started guide and my Nourishing Food Swaps guide. Also make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what your takeaway was from this video and what meals you're going to be trying next. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.